Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I will be showing you how to fix system service exception Windows 11. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and do a simple restart. So you could just simply go for the start menu over here. You could just simply go over here to the power and just simply do a simple restart. So a simple restart mostly can fix the issue, but if the problem persists, what you could try to do now is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your computer. So guys, here on the settings, you could just simply go for the Windows update. So here on the Windows update, you could just simply select check for updates. So sometimes outdated Windows can cause this issue. So just make sure guys that you are running the latest version of the Windows so you won't have any issue. As you can see right now on me, I have a new update available and automatically it will download the latest Windows update. Now, if it still doesn't work out, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go for device manager. And then here on the device manager, you could just simply go for the display adapters. Here on the display adapters, just simply right click on this one and just simply select update driver. So here you could just simply search automatically for drivers, and when there is any update, you should be able to automatically install it over here. And as you can see, my drivers have the latest version, so I won't have any issue. And what you could try to do is go for the network adapters as well and make sure to update the driver on all of this, and mostly this can fix the issue. Now guys, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do as well is remove recent software or hardware. So uninstall any application or unplug new hardware installed just before the error started, because sometimes there are the reason why your system have this error. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.